Hello guys, welcome back to another video. You're here with Many Tech, and in today's video I'm going to take you guys through how you can get your internet speed to its maximum. There is a challenge that mostly we face when it comes to internet speed. Sometimes due to network traffic we experience lags in our network and all of that. But today I'm going to take you guys through a way that we can get the maximum speed of our internet in our homes. We are going to do something with DNS configuration. Configuration is basically changing the DNS address of the service providers in which you are using for the internet, and then we give in there our personalized DNS address. We are going to go with a DNS address called Cloudflare. There is a lot of DNS addresses available, Google DNS, Open DNS, but we are going to go with Cloudflare because Cloudflare is known for its maximum capacity when it comes to speed. So Cloudflare is specialized when it comes to internet speed. Therefore, let's get to this video. Okay guys, so to get started with the configuration of our DNS address, first of all, you need to connect your PC to an internet service. So I have my Wi-Fi connected to my PC right here, as you can see. After you connect your internet to your PC, the next step is to go to control panel. So you locate control panel from your start menu. If it's pinned, you just select it. If not, you just type the control panel and then you click on it. So this is the control panel, the interface of the control panel. Most of you will be having yours to be in the category view. No need to panic. It's just another view of how your control panel is looking like. So you just need to click right here on the drop down tab over here, and then you click on large icons. When you click on large icons, it expands, bringing the details of the category view. The next step is to just go to the network and sharing center. Right here, you click on your Wi-Fi name. If you have a Wi-Fi connected to your PC, it will show right here. So you click on it, and then you head to properties. Right here, you click on properties. It gives you another tab showing a list of items where some are checked and some are also unchecked. Do not attempt to check anything or uncheck anything. We are just interested in the Internet Protocol version 4. So I just single click on the Internet Protocol version 4 right here, and then I click on properties. After you click on properties, you get another pop-up box, but here is where we want to configure our DNS address. So as you can see, we have the IP version and we have the DNS version, but we are doing DNS, not IP. So we come to the DNS, and it's already set to obtain DNS server address automatically, which means that the DNS address is automatically fetching from the service provider in which we are using, which is our Wi-Fi service provider. So you come beneath and then you click on the use the following DNS server address. Like I mentioned earlier on, I said that we are going to use Cloudflare DNS. So Cloudflare has a preferred DNS and also an alternate DNS. Mostly every DNS server comes in pairs. So the preferred one and the alternate ones. So I am going to input the DNS server for the Cloudflare. So with the preferred DNS, the address for the preferred is 1.1.1.1. So as you can see, we have the dots already, but it will not move or jump to the next box by itself. You would have to click on the dot again on your keyboard. So I type in the 1 and then I click on the dot on my keyboard, 1.1.1. And then I fill the first box, which is the preferred DNS, with the first DNS address, which is 1.1.1.1. Then the alternate DNS address for Cloudflare is 1.0.0.1. So you do the same thing, 1.0.0.1. So this is the alternate DNS address for Cloudflare. After that, you click on OK, you click on close, you click on close, and now the Cloudflare DNS in which we just gave to our internet is now working. So to verify this, you can go to your Wi-Fi settings. You click here to see more details of your Wi-Fi. So you see the notice over here saying that the DNS settings for all Wi-Fi networks have been set. These settings won't be used, which means that the automatic DHCP, which is the automatic DNS address of the service providers, will not be used. It is using the DNS in which we input right away from the control panel. So it's using the Cloudflare. And what we did in the control panel affects every Wi-Fi network that will be connected to the PC. So it's not specifically for my Wi-Fi
let's say this Mouse Technologies Wi-Fi. It's not specifically for this Wi-Fi. It is for every Wi-Fi that I'll connect to. It will automatically channel its DNS address to the Cloudflare DNS address for me to get the maximum speed. And also, most people prefer doing the DNS address in this section where we have the DNS assignment, and then they click on edit and change it. This changing of the DNS address does not apply to any Wi-Fi you connect to your PC. It only applies to the Wi-Fi you are connected to at that particular moment. So let's say if I use this section edit and I get off my Wi-Fi network and I connect to a different Wi-Fi network, let's say a Wi-Fi network named Boss, let's say Boss, another Wi-Fi called Boss, the DNS will not take effect because I did it here in settings, and this configuration right here is for the specific Wi-Fi. But what we did in the control panel affects everything, so it doesn't matter the Wi-Fi that I connected that I connect my PC to, it will take effect, and this will increase your speed of your computer or your internet when you change to this Cloudflare. Mostly I recommend this for those who play online games. I used to play online games much, and changing my DNS to the Cloudflare DNS helped me get lower latencies in playing games such as Warzone, Apex, and other gaming, and also your downloads and uploads. You notice a difference in speed and reliability. So this is another way you can increase the speed of your internet through the DNS configuration using the Cloudflare DNS address. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share this video to other people so they can be a part of the family. See you in the next one.